dear all, we are in Bochum today at the Ruhr-University at the Cognitive Sciences conference organized by the Gesellschaft für Kognitivwissenschaften, German Society for Cognitive Sciences, and we will see whom can we catch today and interview today.
I'm from Darmstadt, TU Darmstadt Cognitive Science Center, and pretty much looking forward to see the guys of the German community again. And so the specific topic of this year is pretty much what I'm interested in. So let's say how the human mind works and all this. And so basically the philosophical side of the conference here is very interesting for me, and that's why I'm here.
So I'm from London, originally from Germany, but I think I'm the only insect representative here, so I'm curious to exchange ideas with philosophers and psychologists working on humans and other animals.
I'm the head of the German Society, and I'm super excited that our conference is running and it's lively, and we had a lovely, also a little controversial first keynote about large language models and metacognition, and yeah, we will learn more about this year. That's the key between pure AI conferences and cognitive or psychological conferences, that we try to bridge these two, and we see what we learned these 3 days still.
I'm from Munich. I work on cognitive modeling. Interested in meeting with people again, have some coffee, listen to cool talks.
Yeah, so coffee is the engine.
Yeah, I'm a PhD student in cognitive science, and I'm giving a talk on Wednesday here at the conference. I will talk about vocal communication and how we analyze the temporal structure of it with deep learning and other modern tools in science.
Well, a great expectation of where the field is heading. In this current times, I think it's just incredibly interesting to see whether it's going to be more neural, more into AI, and see how the whole field will progress.
I'm a physicist, so I have not a really good idea about these philosophical aspects. So I'm more related to practical applications of cognitive questions, and in particular in the field of aeronautics and aerospace. So I'm from the German Aerospace Center, and I was for a long time leading a team who developed a new tower system, remote tower control. And in that context, psychologists were very much interested in workload, so work psychologists. And so that's a field where I'm interested.
During the conference, there will be some competitions, most precisely 2 of them, the paper and the poster competition. And now we will see here like some delegates who present the posters. Talk to us about your poster, please.
Okay, hi. My name is Julia, and I'm from the Ruhr-University in Lüneburg. And we did the research on bidirectional adjustment and price estimation, the evidence from the eye movements. So we did a study on anchor and effect. It's one of the most popular bias in humans.
So I'm interested in whether people, when they process conflicts in language processing and picture processing, do we find conflict adaptation effects between domains in humans?
Some people believe, skills are completely realized inside the brain. Others are talking about skills as a, whole bodily kind of thing. And I think that these people are just talking about different things. And this is kind of a method to explain, where the differences lie and where they maybe can find commonalities.
Our main question was, is an AI able to identify individual signatures in KogWis monodular calls? KogWis monodular are jackdaws, and they are corvids, so very, very intelligent. And our main goal was to show that there are individual signatures that you only need calls to identify an individual, like we humans do.
Well, I'm part of the Chair of Language and Cognition in FAU Erlangen-Nuremberg, and what we wanted to do is basically assess semantic fluency in a group of literate and illiterate people.
This research is about color working memory in birds, jackdaws, and specifically about factors influencing the precision. So what I'm doing is I'm showing them two colors always, but which one they have to respond. I tell them either before I show the colors or after I show the colors.
My name is Karolina Iriczynski. I'm an independent researcher currently coming back from the United States, and I'm a Cornell alumna, and I taught there for many years. My research and in my former lab, the research was on narrative discourse processing, and this interest is, for many reasons, we all like stories, there is no doubt. And also currently the information that we have access to comes on screen, streaming in discourse format. So segmentation, event segmentation in narrative is the focus on my research.
In robotics, that the dominant approach where the robot constructs a three-dimensional map and then uses optimal policy control theoretic methods to find the plan, there is no evidence that that is optimal way of doing robotics.
So there will be some prizes announced today, tomorrow, I think. Like today and tomorrow, the people are.
Tomorrow evening will be the prizes for the posters then. So some people are in competition now, but they don't know who. Only we know. For me, this is the best conference in Germany to talk about the mind and cognition really, and how we think, how derailed thinking works and why, and what we can do about it. And then of course also the AI side now is more pressing than ever before, that we have large language models, we have generative models, we have image generating models, and the debate is ongoing how much these models think. I don't think they think too much, although they're surprisingly well in pretending to think.